Tragic Manchester crash claims boy's life. A heart-wrenching crash in Manchester leaves a 9-year-old boy dead, and his police officer mother critically injured. Learn more about the incident and how you can help. In a devastating incident early Monday morning, a tragic crash in Christiana, Manchester, claimed the life of a 9-year-old boy and left his mother, a dedicated police officer, critically injured. The accident occurred on the Sedbergh main road as the mother was driving her son to school. The community is now reeling from the loss of a young life and praying for the recovery of the injured officer. The crash involved two vehicles, a Honda Fit driven by the Policewoman and a Range Rover. According to initial reports, the collision happened around 7 a.m. The severe impact forced both occupants of the Honda Fit, mother and son, to be rushed to Percy Junor Hospital. Despite the medical team's efforts, the boy sadly died upon arrival. The policewoman, a constable stationed at the Christiana police station, remains in critical condition at the hospital. The severity of her injuries has prompted the Jamaica Police Federation to issue an urgent appeal for blood donations. The Federation is urging the public to donate blood at the National Blood Bank or any authorized location, and to ensure that receipts are directed to Percy Junor Hospital. This heartbreaking accident has sent shockwaves throughout the Manchester community, where the policewoman and her son were well known and loved. The sudden and tragic loss of such a young life has left many in mourning, and the plea for blood donations highlights the critical state of the injured officer. How you can help. If you wish to assist, please consider donating blood at your nearest blood donation center. The life of a dedicated public servant hangs in the balance, and your contribution could make a difference. As the investigation continues, the community awaits answers regarding the circumstances surrounding the collision. In the meantime, the outpouring of support from both locals and the broader Jamaican public demonstrates the strength of the community in times of tragedy. Thank you for visiting 876news.com. Your support is crucial in keeping the community informed and engaged. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for the latest updates on this developing story and other news that matters to you. We are committed to keeping our readers informed as new information becomes available.